Hi, it's Harry from Invoice Stack here. One of the most powerful features of Invoice Stack is the data that gets sent back to HubSpot about your invoices. We do that using properties on your HubSpot deal. In this video, we'll walk you through how to find those properties, we'll point out the most useful ones, and we'll show you how you can use them throughout your HubSpot account. So let's get started. So the best place to start is to look at a deal where I've already created an invoice. So here's an example. I've created one invoice already and I've synced it to 0 in this case. Now, to find my deal properties, all I need to do is head to the left-hand side of my deal. You'll see a section that says about this deal. You might need to click it to expand it. And what we're looking for is this button at the bottom that says view all properties. You might need to scroll to find it. Opening up our properties screen, you'll see a list of all of the properties on your HubSpot deal. Once you install Invoice Stack, we'll add a section called Invoicing with a list of properties. These properties change all the time and we're always adding new ones. So look on our website to get an up-to-date list. Here are some of the common ones that most people use. This is invoice status. It changes from blank to invoices synced to first or all invoices paid. So you can use this to track whether people have created invoices or whether invoices have been paid or not. The next really useful one is overdue invoices. And this changes to true once invoices are overdue. And then once they're paid, it will change it back to false. And all of these properties are updated live. So when things change in your accounting platform, they'll be updated inside HubSpot with no action needed on your part. To view more details about these properties, you can click the Details button when you hover over, and you'll see a description of the property. To add to your sidebar to make it visible, just click Add to your view, and that'll save the property under that About This Deal section that you saw. And in case you're wondering, yes, these are normal invoice properties inside HubSpot, so you can use them in workflows and reports. We'll have another video on that soon. Back on our deal, you can now see that this invoice numbers property is visible on the sidebar. But what if we want to make it visible to everyone in our team, or even make it visible on our deal pipeline? Like here, we've got invoice status. Now, to do that, you need to edit the settings on your HubSpot deals. So go to the settings section, and in the sidebar, what you're going to is going to objects and then deals inside data management. You can see a list here, but the ones we're interested in are pipeline here. Customize that deal card on your deal pipeline, like so. Or you could go to record customization. From here, you can customize all kinds of settings of how to show those properties on your HubSpot deal. For example, you could add it to the left sidebar. Why not create an invoicing section on that left sidebar? You can also add invoicing properties to data highlights. And you can even edit the right sidebar to choose where Invoice Stack shows on your deals. So now we've learned a bit about invoice data and properties. It's your turn to give it a go. So sync an invoice and see what data shows up. Next, think about who in your team needs to see that data and when. And don't forget to check out the next videos about how you can automate your deals using workflows and even create powerful reports using that invoice data. Thanks for watching.